उसमें ना तो आप थे ना मैं था, कोई नहीं था. वो पायलट का डिसीजन था. He made an approach from runway 29 and then he carried out a missed approach, after which again he tried to make an attempt from runway 11. This is what I also have no contact with the pilots. They are not there. It is a very unfortunate incident. We are very sad about it. We are trying to first be with the family, solidly with the family who have lost their next of kins. It's a very unfortunate incident. Primarily, it appears that, the pilot could not see the runway and that's why he would have carried out
But
a
he has
missed approach.
already taken 2 loops, sir. How is it possible that he could not see?
The pilot will carry out a missed approach in case if he's not comfortable to land on the runway.
Yeah.
Very experienced pilot, more than 16,000 hours of experience. Very seasoned. The co-pilot was also 15,000 hours.
Okay.
1,500 hours.
Okay.
And the captain was very experienced, instructor examiner material. He was with Sahara, he was with Jetlight, he was with Jet Airways, and he was very experienced on this type of aeroplane also.
But the distance was almost more than 6 kilometers from the runway. Do you think it's possible that he could not have seen it, or there could have been any technical scan?
I really don't know because I was not there.
Because we are talking about the flight data report.
I'm only talking of the information that I have got from the eyewitnesses.
When was the last security check done on the aircraft?
The aircraft was very well maintained. There was absolutely no problem in the aircraft. There was no technical failure in the aircraft.
And
as far as we know.
2023 के इंसिडेंट की रेफरेंस दी जा रही है कि 2023 में भी ऐसी एक हादसा हुई थी. उसमें भी आप लोगों ने शायद लो विजिबिलिटी की बात उठाई थी. अगर आप
उसमें मैम 2023 में जो हुआ था वो बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ था और उसमें भी बारिश हो रही थी, लो विजिबिलिटी थी एंड द पायलट आफ्टर टचडाउन स्किडेड ऑफ द रनवे. So that was the incident.
अभी फिलहाल सर जो आप लोगों से डिटेल्स मांगी जा रही है उसके रिगार्डिंग क्या अपडेट हो रहा है?
मैं देखिए AIB की इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं ना आपको दे सकता हूँ ना मुझे कुछ मालूम है. The DGC is doing the work. So please give us some time to handle first the families who have lost their lives, handle the DGCA, and then we'll get back.
Sir, how many Learjet 45s do you have?
We have 7.
And will you ground them for now?
I don't know. Why should I ground them? They're all fit aircraft. Why should I ground them? Okay. That's not my decision.
Okay.
The Learjet worldwide is a very, very dependable aircraft. So why should we ground them? And please excuse me. More than this, I've listened to you.
For the family members who from where
my deepest condolences. So Captain Sumit Kapoor was a very good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine. He was a brother to me. Yeah. His son is also a pilot with us. Captain Shambhavi was a daughter to me. She was a child to me. And both of them were extremely good human beings, extremely good pilots.
So
unfortunate. They're from Delhi. They're from Delhi. It is very unfortunate this has happened. Please give us time to come out of this, irreparable shock. आप लोग जो पूछ रहे हैं वो इस समय मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
नहीं सर, 2023 में जो हुआ था
इस समय आज 2023 की बात करने का समय है.
इस बार फ्लाइट एकदम परफेक्ट था,
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट था. और ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ. टेक्निकली द DGCA investigates. The DGCA can only speak. I cannot speak.
Certainly, sir.
I'm not the investigating authority.
एक बार बता दीजिए कि कितने फ्लाइट आज
कितने बजे हुआ, कितने बजे?
मैम अंदाजन 8 और 8:30 और 9 के बीच में हुआ है. आपके
पास कॉल आया?
मेरे पास जब कॉल आया जब कि एयरक्राफ्ट हैज क्रैश लैंडेड, तो उसके बाद देयर वाज नो वन टू whom I could contact.